Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This Daema washing machine. This problem is cannot spin, so that's why I have put spin mode. Then waiting, the drum is spinning or not. But customer said true. It's draining, but drum is not spinning. So let's see. I'll lay down it. What is the problem? I have seen this belt is okay, but motor not spinning, so it's not problem the belt. Then I have seen there's capacitor. It looks like bad, so let me change the capacitor first. This is the capacitor. See, looks bad. It's 10 UF, 10 microfarad. Dear viewers, I have changed the capacitor 10 UF. So let's see how is it now. So I have put new capacitor. Then after I put, then also waiting, then it's still same things. Motor is not spinning, drum also not moving, so it's same thing. So this is the final problem is the this PCB board. From here is electricity not sending to the motor, so that's why I bought new PCB board. And this is the new PCB board. So there are 4 screws I have to remove. There are 4 screws, front, left and right 2, and back left and right 2 pieces, so total 4 pieces. There are four pieces screws. Just remove the screws, then pull it. It's very easy to change. So this is the PCB board. Yeah, this is the PCB board. So there are 6 screws, so I'll remove it and it will be back. So dear viewers, I have removed the screws. So this is the new PCB and that is the old PCB, this new. Then after that I have found, dear viewers, the PCB board, there are wire has broken. See, wire has broken, so it's not a problem the PCB board, problem is the wire. So this wire I'll reconnect. I'll not change the PCB board, I'll reconnect and then I'll check it again. So dear viewers, after reconnect, so let's see how is it. Set to the spin mode, press the start button. So just wait for a few seconds. So dear viewers, now after I reconnect, so alhamdulillah, now it's moving, drum is moving. So it was problem only wire, so alhamdulillah it's okay, it's working fine. Then finally I didn't change the PCB board, so actually it was problem the only that wire has broken. So that's it. So from my mistake you can learn, there is something to learn from my mistake. Thank you dear viewers. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.